I made a fully autonomous AI Google Ads agent, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to launch Google Ads for any business. So first off, this is actually one of my campaign plans, and this is just demos that I've done. We are in a live account. This is one of my actual accounts that I have been going through, and I'll just cycle through AI overview, campaign plans, and then I'll go to on the left-hand side, as you guys can see, launch Google Ads, and then it's fully managed by AI. So let's do this. Go to MedSpas, go on, Maps or Google or wherever you are. Click on a med spa or anyone that has like the highest reviews. So in this case, let's do Millennium Wellness Center. Quick and easy, go to the website, copy the link address, go to Run Ads, and click Create New Plan. I'm going to move this over here. Oh, and then click Create Campaign. And I'll get to this in a second. The reason why I'm doing this because one cool thing is if you guys want to sign clients like this, and this will be super simple to do. So before you guys would even essentially sign the clients, what we do is we have a value proposition for them. So what we could do now is we could say, hey, Millennium Wellness Center, love you guys or love like what you guys have. I'm a big wellness fan, and you could say that I recently visited and had a great experience, and I wanted to offer you guys a solution to booking more clients because whenever I went, it wasn't as busy. You guys could come up with some story to call them and saying that we can get you additional 20 to 30 booked appointments or 20 to 30 clients. That will be customers for life, essentially. So I have the URL for the website linked or copied. I'm going to go to salon spa/beauty on the campaign plans. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to just drop the URL pretty quickly. And for this case, we're going to do 50 or actually let's do 25 miles. So I'm going to set the city to Miami and then the phone number as well, because we do want people to be able to call them. Copy the phone number, which is already there, which that's pretty good AI. And what's cool is while we're doing this, there is so much stuff happening on the back end that you guys probably don't see. So I'll go ahead and click continue. This is actually Miami, so I need to fix that. All right. And since it's citywide, we want to have people within the 25-mile radius going to the wellness center. And we want more foot traffic. So let's go, or, foot traffic, appointments, bookings. Let's just click appointment/bookings for now. Let's build a marketing campaign plan. And as you guys saw in the first step, it did autofill the information. And once that happens, it fires off our AI on the back end. And whether you go through with creating campaigns or not, it's super simple to just go on here, build campaigns within literally like a minute. And we can have a campaign. I'd say campaigns ready on Google Ads, and then you call them within like a few minutes. And I'll show you guys exactly how it works. We're only 2.5 minutes in. We already have a potential client that may not be running ads. I didn't do my due diligence to see if they are, but this will allow us to give them value proposition. So whenever we call them, it's just an easy close. So we have 5 campaigns, 70 keywords, 95 ad copy items. This is the branded campaign. This is cold search, competitor, first time treatment, natural results. We have the full plan, full medical med spa, basically everything in regards to the business. And so I'm creating for my account. Just disregard that for now. If you guys are an agency, you guys would be able to select the specific account that you guys want to publish the ads in. So quick and easy. You publish all the Google ads, and this will show you at the top. 1 ad out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5, and 5 out of 5. And what this does is it sends campaigns directly to Google Ads. So we can go into Google. Oh, I lost. Where'd it go? I don't know where my face went, but basically we can go into Google, go to today. Oh, all right. And then if you guys see Millennium Wellness, Center Well Spa, all the campaigns that we just launched are ready to go and they're on Google Ads already. So for this case, I'm going to go ahead and pause this. But if you guys see how valuable that is, essentially what you guys can do is you guys can go on a wellness spa or anybody that's a retail business that needs ads. And I'm going to say 9 out of 10 businesses are going to need ads. So we just launched within a few seconds, or I gotta say a few clicks and 2 minutes because we're about 4 minutes into this. And now we have ads already live on Google Ads. And as you guys can see, if I go back into the account, I just paused them. But if I go to enable such paused, you guys will see that this ad is it's paused, but it's eligible. And we have it's not showing my keywords, but it's bugged because Arc just does that. But we have the campaigns, we have the ads, which once again, Arc is a weird browser. It doesn't show my ads. But the campaigns are there. And so by doing this, You could do this 20, 30, 40 different times. Spend 1 to 2 hours a day, get ads already live for clients, and all you have to do is just call them, get to know them, tell them that either you've been to the business before, or you can just say that, hey, I already have ads live with my fully autonomous AI agent that basically guarantees to book you an additional 20 to 50 or 50 to 100 additional appointments, bookings. And you basically give them the value prop. You ask for what their AOV is. If it's somebody just visiting for one day, what their additional services that they offer is. There's so much information that you guys could actually do in order to close a business. The cool thing is, if you have an agency, I'll go over here. So what we can do is runads AI as a whole is $300 a month. You can sell just one account for runads AI for $300 a month for yourself, and then you sell it to businesses for $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for the services that you're trying to offer. And instead of mainly going to Google Ads and clicking around and trying to launch campaigns for clients, we all know how long that takes, and it's very frustrating and annoying to do. So we have Agency Starter, Agency Growth, and Agency Unlimited. Agency Unlimited, you obviously have unlimited access to all the clients, and you can just quickly go through to integrations. You would be able to select the client account, or if you go to agency or all clients, essentially, you can collect or connect the account. You can click into there. You can manage the campaigns and stuff like that. So for this case, let's say I want to run ads for Richard Mill. I would select the account from my manager account, and then I would just start creating campaigns for the account that I'm running for the client. Then you have an overview page for the current account that's selected to just the dashboard specifically. Um, and you can, once again, utilize AI chat, and then you can talk to Caleb Chat to run ads for competitors. If you guys want to publish more campaigns that are just aside from the base campaigns that we have set in the database to launch. And then also we have tracking too, because tracking is very important. Now, the one thing that is a little bit difficult is call tracking, which there's external services for that, and then also conversion tracking. But for the most part, this will be more than enough to get you off the ground running, be able to sign clients right away. And whether it's med spas, which I'll say med spas specifically because med spas are very high ticket. It's very easy to be able to sell a $2,000 monthly service to a med spa, because I would say the average monthly spend for a customer that goes to a med spa is somewhere around $500 to $2,000, and even upwards of $10,000 to $50,000, depending on what kind of services they offer. Lip fillers, injections, like any stuff along the lines of that, cool sculpting, whatever it might be. So there's a lot of money to be made in this space, and I basically made it easy for anybody to go through, sign as many clients as they want. We could even do like luxury gyms, and I'll do the same thing here. Let's do legacy gym. I don't know if this is a good gym or not. Actually, no. Let's just do luxury gym. I'll take their URL once again. Go to campaign plans, create new plan. And I would actually advise you guys to create a new client for this specifically, so it's easier to just navigate. But in this case, I'm just going to show you as a demo. And this is a gym/fitness. Drop the URL. Let's do citywide targeting, and then this should autofill the information for the business. So there's nothing that you need to do manually. And you guys are seeing this real time. There's no cuts. I do need to blur a few things, which I'll do that in post. But we have this. This is in, let's see, we are in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'll just paste that. Let's do, oh, all right, Fort Lauderdale. And then click continue. Let's do $1,000 a month, get more leads, more form fills, but in this case, probably more appointments or bookings, or just more foot traffic. Build my marketing campaign, and the exact same strategy that we just did. And once again, value prop. Value prop is very important. So I want to go through a few things. So let's say you are on the Agency Unlimited plan. You pay $2,500 a month, and then you're selling clients for $1,000 a month. You literally spend $1,000, or sorry, you spend the whole day signing 25 clients. You sell them for $1,000 ticket, and you pay runads AI $2,500 a month. So you're basically profiting $22,000 or more, depending on if you have any other overhead costs. And you could do this literally every single day. Well, once again, while I'm just talking, I have all the campaigns for the clients. I have the view the full plan. And once I click publish all remaining to Google Ads, well, as you guys already saw, it goes straight to Google Ads. So imagine if you just run a script, or you run a bot that you can get all these leads. or you just do this manually. This is very, very easy to just go somewhere in your area as is, because it's easier to go in your area versus going to external areas. You're going to be knowing the most about the culture, and about the businesses around you. And maybe you've even visited the same spot before. But let's say I wanted to call Legacy Fitness and say, hey, I have 5 active campaigns that will basically get you brand new clients, brand new customers for training, for whatever it might be. And like with the LTV for a gym owner is going to be anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 a year. So them spending $1,000 to $2,000 a month for your AI services, which is the white labeled version of runads AI, that's honestly a bargain considering what they could be paying for an agency. An average agency is going to spend anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to $10,000. And so you're making it very cheap and easy for them to run effective campaigns, and you're making it easier for yourself because all it takes for you is a couple of clicks. The cool thing with the runads AI is actually a fully autonomous agent. So there's actually nothing that you need to do on the back end to manage their campaigns. Once it's set up, all you got to do is just click autonomous mode and it will just run in the back end. So if I wanted to call them, say, hey, Legacy Fit, checked out the gym yesterday, want to say I think you've been a great gym. Loved the equipment. I was actually able to sweat. The music wasn't horrible. It wasn't some freaking Taylor Swift. Call them, get to know them. Don't pitch them right away, and then see if you can get in contact with the manager. And then the cool thing is, since we already have ads running, you can say, hey, just go to your phone, look up Legacy Gym. And what they're going to see is they're going to see a search ad because I have prioritized reviews and approvals. They're going to see a search ad immediately on Google Ads and like, dang, this is pretty cool. And clients will be able to go through, or people that are looking up gym in the area, they're going to be able to see that Legacy Fit, Legacy Gym is ranking top. And they're going to be like, this is awesome. So it's a no-brainer, and it's a massive value proposition for clients in order to be able to close them literally with ease. It's not even about closing them. It's just a matter of like, do you guys want an additional $50,000 to $100,000 a year in revenue with like minimal effort, or do you guys just want to lose an additional 50 to 100K? Because who knows how much money somebody could spend at these gyms? Maybe they buy a year package. Maybe they buy all the upsells that the gyms have for personal training or for new products, whatever it might be. You guys get the idea. I just want to come on here quickly to show you how quick and easy it is to run ads and literally make $20,000 to $50,000 a month by just putting in a few hours of work every single day, or maybe even a week, selling the services, white labeling runads AI, and literally just printing on a super easy search-based, local service-based agency.